In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Ledger Live. Now, of course, if you need any Ledger devices, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can get the official Ledger device as well as some bonus Bitcoin if you use my link, and you'll also support the channel that way. So, to actually sell crypto, it's very simple. Click on sell or buy over here on the left hand side, and then you want to switch to sell up top. And then here you have to first select which crypto you would like to sell. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and sell some Cardano over here. Click on Cardano ADA for me. And then you want to select your account. So I'm going to select this one. There we go. And then here you can basically select how much you want to sell. You can either go specifically like how many coins or in percentages down here. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and sell one Cardano. And as you can see, the minimum transaction amount for this specific cryptocurrency is 12.2 Cardano. Now, of course, it's going to be different for each and every single crypto, so make sure you actually sell at least this amount, because otherwise you won't be able to sell. So let's do 13 over here. There we go. And then you're going to get your quote, and you can select where you will get your cash on. So you can select if you want card, and right now that's the only option, but of course, depending on your region, you may have another option as well. So it's going to be the card, and then here currently there's only one quota, and I'm going to click on this one. And I'm going to click on sell with transact, and then it's going to start connecting to my transact. And then there we go. As you can see, the minimum amount should be equal to more than this. So I would have to change this essentially if I wanted to actually sell. But then after you've done that, you can basically just go ahead and you'll see how much in euros you will receive, or of course your preferred currency, and you want to click sell now. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Okay, so if this happens to you, just go back and just put some more in. So like 15, and then here I'm going to click on this again, and I'm going to do sell with transact, and this should now work, and I should now get my quote. There we go. You're going to have to enter your email, press continue, and a few more info, and then you can just sell it right away, and it will of course arrive to your card or whatever receiving method you selected. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.